Okay, hello EGR 200 students. I would like to share with you how you can efficiently submit your homework. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen with you guys. So once you open the MATLAB window, this is how you're gonna see. So first I want you to do is you can open a new script, click on a new button and then open this script. So this is what you're going to be seeing it. So now let's say you're going to be submitting, you're going to be completing all the different questions and submitting your homework. So I'm going to go ahead. So I want you to do it. You can start off by just doing this percentage sign. And then I'm going to say here, let's say I'm completing question number 1. So I'm going to say question 1, and then I'm going to complete a question, random question. So here's a question I have in the book, which is 6a. So I'm going to do that. So I have a z value, which is equal to 4.5. Semicolon. And it is, I have to now write my script. So it's 0.4 times z, and then now there's I want to write a square. Let's see if I can type in the square. Okay, so I want to say z squared 4 plus 3.1 times okay, 3.1 times z raised to power 2, I have to say. So I'm going to say here 2 and minus 162.3 power, I should say, a multiply sign. So I'm just typing in the code here for the one of the questions. And then I'm going to put here minus 80.7. Minus 80.7. So this is my question number 1. So I am going to be now moving on to question number 2. Remember, I'm just putting these 2 percentages here, which basically means that, you know, the top one is like a 1 section. So if I click in here, it's highlighted in yellow. It shows you that that's a 1 section. And then I'm going to be moving on to the next question. So let's say I'm going to put here question number 2, and then which is 7a, I believe. Let's see here. Yeah, it is 7a. So here the t value I have is equal to, oops, maybe I should move down, right? So I can put here question, right, a percentage. So because it's a comment, and I'm going to say here question 2. So that is t equal to 3.2. And then I'm going to be writing exponential 2 times t, 2 times t, and close up parentheses, divided by 2 minus 3.81 times t, and then I should say raised to power 3. So raised to power 3. Okay, let me just check if I am doing everything correctly. So it's I think it looks correct. So let me know. So if you now, the important thing is because I put a 2% sign, which means that MATLAB is treating this as a one section, and then question number 2 as another section. Now, if I click on the first section, and if I hit section run, it gives me answer for the section 1. Similarly, when I hit section, 2 or question number 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit section run, it gives me an answer for 2. So now once you have done that, I want you to go to, let's say you can write in question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, however many questions you're solving for your homework. And then what I want you to go to do is to publish. Once you go to publish, click on this one, publish, edit publishing options. And once you do that, I want you to save the file wherever you want to save. So I want to say here, practice homework, practice homework 1. And I'm saving it on my desktop using MATLAB code files as .m file. So I'm going to hit save. You can save the file anyway, specify the new name. Okay, it doesn't like the name, so I am going to remove this space here and say hit save. And once I hit save, you're going to see this window here. What I want you to do is click on that HTML and say that you want to generate a PDF file. So once you generate the PDF file, I want you to hit the button publish. Okay, so this is PDF and hit publish. So once you hit publish, just wait it for a few seconds. And let's see what's going to happen. Okay, and once you're going to hit publish, you're going to see that both of the questions would be appeared here in the PDF file. It says practice homework 1 and both of the questions, including the answers. So in that way, you can have question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. Make sure when you submit this one, you should type your last name. So I'm going to say Hader, comma, first name, Wasim, and then I'm going to, keep it on my desktop, like let's say a PDF file, and then submit on a Blackboard folder. With that being said, that's it for today. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day. Bye.